Hey everyone, welcome back. In this video, I'll show you how to fix Shopify VAT setup mistakes step by step so your store stays compliant and avoids issues with tax authorities in 2026. VAT setup in Shopify can be tricky, especially for international sellers. Mistakes happen, and even a small error can lead to overcharging customers or getting in trouble with tax agencies. So yeah, paying attention here is really important. Start by logging into your Shopify admin and going to Settings, then Taxes and Duties. This is where your VAT settings are managed. Next, check your business location. Make sure the country where your business is registered is correct, because Shopify calculates VAT based on your business address and the customer's location. Now, review your VAT rates for each country you sell to. If you've set incorrect percentages or applied VAT to the wrong products, adjust them. For example, digital goods and physical goods may have different rates in some countries. Also, check whether your product prices include VAT or if it's added at checkout. Consistency is key, so correct any discrepancies to avoid confusing customers. If you've registered for VAT in multiple countries, make sure each registration number is correctly entered in Shopify. This tells Shopify that you are a legitimate business and ensures proper tax reporting. Next, review your invoices and receipts. Ensure VAT is clearly displayed for each order, and update any automated templates if necessary. Shopify also allows you to apply VAT exemptions for certain products or customers. Double-check these rules to avoid accidentally overcharging or undercharging. Finally, test your checkout with different customer locations to confirm that VAT is calculated correctly. Yeah, this testing step is crucial before accepting real orders. By following these steps, you can fix Shopify VAT setup mistakes and keep your store compliant in 2026. If this guide helped you, like the video, subscribe to the channel for more Shopify and e-commerce tutorials, and I'll see you in the next one.